This video demonstrates how to assemble Innovation Cabinetry's base end angle cabinet. Before you begin, ensure you have all the pieces shown here. To begin, place the shelf pegs into the pre-drilled holes on the narrow side panel, then set aside. Place the remaining shelf pegs into the available holes on the wide side panel, tap into place with a hammer, then set this piece aside as well. Next, place the door in front of you on your workstation, the side with the hinge holes closest to you. Position the hinges over the holes, then secure with the drill and prepackaged screws. Move the door forward on your workstation, then retrieve the narrow side panel and position it in front of you, behind the door. Ensure the slotted side of the narrow side panel is closest to you. Align the door with the far left side of the narrow side panel at the bottom edge of the notched corner and position the pieces so that there is a distance about the thickness of a credit card between them. Set the free end of the hinges flush to the side, then secure with a drill and prepackaged screws. Now set the attached pieces aside. Take the bridge beams and lay one of the longest of the set flat on your workstation, the side with the holes facing up. Fix both of the short bridge beams into the holes on the left side of the long beam and ensure the angled sides face out and away from you. With the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes, attach the remaining long bridge beam to the top of the structure and tap into place with a rubber mallet. Secure where the long and short pieces meet with a nail gun, then set this structure aside. Place the wide side panel on your workstation, the notched corner to the upper right and away from you, and attach the bottom to the side's right end with the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes, its straight side closest to you. Now align the backing so it is perpendicular with the side lying on your workstation and flush with the bottom. Tap into place with a rubber mallet, then secure to the bottom with a nail gun. Retrieve the bridge panel structure from earlier, fix it to the base's side at the far left end with the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes, and tap into place with a rubber mallet. The angle of the bridge beam structure should match that of the bottom's angled edge on the side's opposite end. Now place one of the corner brackets on the base side against the backing and across from the bridge beam structure and secure with a drill and prepackaged screws. Take the previously constructed narrow side panel and door and attach these to the structure on your workstation, with the slotted side placed on the backing and the door angled down and away from you. Ensure the top of the bridge beam structure is also correctly fixed into the pre-drilled holes on the narrow side panel. Use a nail gun to secure the narrow side panel to the backing, bottom, and bridge beams. Now, turn the unit so the wide side panel faces up and the door opens flat onto your workstation, and secure this side to the backing, bottom, and bridge beams as just performed. Next, place the other corner bracket against the narrow side and the backing, just across from the previously placed bracket, and secure with a drill and prepackaged screws. Flip the structure so the wide side panel lies flat on your workstation, and place the beveled front filler panel over the bridge beam structure. Ensure there is a distance about the thickness of a credit card between this panel and the door, then use a nail gun to secure this panel from the inside to the rest of the unit. Finally, turn the constructed unit upright and angle the internal shelf into the cabinet to rest on the shelf pegs. Congratulations! Your Innovation Cabinetry base end angle cabinet is ready to install.